Okay guys, for you Tikka crowds, we recommend the first time you attempt to change your barrel that you send your barreled action up here so that we can remove it. We see bent Tikka actions constantly from either internal or external wrenches. They set their headspace by smashing these things on. Some of them are torqued to 50 pounds, some are torqued to 150 to 200 pounds, some of them have Loctite on them. It's real easy to bend these actions. So what we do is we run a parting tool in here. But basically what we're going to do is we're going to make a little incision right here, and we're going to make it so that we can turn this action off by hand, guaranteeing that you're not going to bend your action. Now I made a small incision here, and you can see I left just a little bit of the barrel still connected to the action there. It should just take a little bit of effort, not much at all, to get this thing off. Action's a little slimy from coolant, so I'll just put this on. My chuck is unlocked and give it a quick little pop. So doing that, now I can just take it off by hand. I've seen a lot of these where guys try to get them off and they can't. Sometimes you can, they come off real easy. Most of the time they don't. If you bend this action, you'll get the best barrel in the world, but as soon as you mount your scope up, it's gonna pull the action down, it's gonna twist it, it's gonna twist your scope. You're gonna think you have a bad barrel when really you have a bad action now. So if you're unsure, send it in. It's a real quick, easy process, and then you're not risking it.